Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Monopoly, and welcome to the Metaverse. For this video, I wanted to talk about two specific Metaverse projects, the first one being Pavia, and the second one being the Boss Cat Planet. But before we get on to that, if you guys are not already following me on Twitter, make sure to go check it out. It's going to be mmonopoly10, not Mr. Monopoly 10, because I forgot to put in the R when I was signing up for the account. Like I said in the last video, I put out a poll for you guys to vote on which CNFT I should purchase, whether it be in the Mutant Croc or Mutant Toad. The majority of you guys voted the Mutant Croc. So here I have the Mutant Croc purchase with my friend in the background. So when it comes to Pavia kind of has like that first mover advantage when it comes to the metaverse in terms of the Cardano virtual world, simply because they were one of the first ones to implement this. And the current floor price is currently at 420 right now. Currently have over close to 100,000 land plots, and if we check out their roadmap, it's going to be right here, and it's kind of something that they started in Q1 of 2022 and plan to finish by Q4 of 2022. So we are extremely early when you think about it, because we're only on step 3. So it is something that is very speculative when it comes to the metaverse world. So like always, not financial advice. Make sure to do your research and check out to see if this is something that you would be interested in. And this is kind of like the map that they got right here. So like I mentioned before in the last video, they got their own plot of land. They got their trees, got, you know, just regular terrain. They got mountains, they got water. And then if you zoom in closely, you also got some beaches here. And then they got their own portals to make it easier to get around the entire map faster in their metaverse world. Some of the things they really plan to do is kind of do like the play to earn mechanics, or implement their own token, and just overall give a lot of advantages to those people owning plots and incentives in terms of in-game currency, or just any other way you know, you can rent out your land or whatsoever. But when I look at the Pavia, it kind of reminded me of Sims, simply because of the avatars they have. So they're really going for like kind of like that detail when it comes to their actual avatars, because at the end of the day, experience over the actual game or metaverse is more important than the actual, you know, like details and aspects of that game. And then we're going to move on to Boss Cat Rocket Club. So this is just their regular Boss Cat, and I feel like every time I mention the Boss Cat, the floor just keeps dropping, which is good because I still don't have one. I want to get one pretty soon. And for the floor price in terms of their actual real estate is actually 500, so it's a little bit over compared to Pavia, simply because I feel like there's a lot of hype when it comes to Boss Cat Planet. And I'll tell you why in a second. So they have 6 different districts, I believe. And then this is kind of like what they have planned out, which I think looks amazing. They're also planning to have casinos and have some royalty, you know, given out to those who own the land, and then like beach clubs. It looks great. It looks great. Like I said before, with Pavia, they have more of like that realistic avatar looking, whereas Boss Cat Planets, they have more of like this pixelated Roblox format. And for this one, they have their Boss Planet token, which they're planning to utilize in, you know, as an in-game currency in their metaverse world. The only thing about this one is they don't exactly have a map yet, so it's something that's super early and super speculative, because it's just released a couple, I believe like last week. In terms of the actual land and actual use case scenario, they're both very speculative, so as always, not financial advice. But other than that, that's basically it for both metaverse projects. Just kind of like a quick rundown. But like I said before, I will put a poll on Twitter to see which plot of land you guys want me to invest in, whether it be in Pavia or Boss Cat Rocket Club. Comment down below which project are you pumped up for. So make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on post notifications, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.